Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 44-2C. I rise to request a statement from the chairperson of the Committee on Finance regarding the measures being taken by the government in respect to its mandate of regulating and controlling gaming activities in Kenya, specifically the so-called Aviator game of chance. Mr. Speaker, gaming has stifled livelihoods across the country in both rural and urban setups. The craze has terrorized both women and men and the youth in equal measure by gobbling up livelihoods. There are numerous cases, Mr. Speaker, of students gambling on their school fees, parents gambling on their savings. Mr. Speaker, there has been an unabated drive by registering gaming firms to place advertisements on leading TV and radio stations during prime time using their abnormal profits financial muscle. There is evidence of a firm whose betting and gaming activities are part of prime time news in one of the most watched TV stations in the country. Mr. Speaker, this game of chance in the country called Aviator, where a virtual aeroplane flies carrying with it odds that purportedly multiply stakes placed by gamers. This Aviator game of chance has become addictive to the youth, women and men, and has left many of them destitute. This Aviator game, Mr. Speaker, is addictive because one does not need prior knowledge of any sporting activity or club to place a bet, and the results are instant. It is against this background, Mr. Speaker, that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Finance Committee on the following. Number one, what is the legal status of the registration of Aviator game of chance in Kenya? Number two, how much revenue are we getting as a country from the taxes collected from betting and gaming activities in the country? Number three, the statistics from the Department of Planning on how much Kenyans are spending per year on betting and gaming activities. Number four, the steps being taken by the Betting Control and Licensing Board to control the proliferation of all manner of advertisements on audio, visual, and print media relating to Aviator game. Number five, table the criteria and regulations used by the Betting Control and Licensing Board to authorize and regulate the Aviator game of chance in the country. Number six, table a list together with license numbers and dates of firms, including media stations, that are authorized to conduct games of chance in the country. And finally, Mr. Speaker, table a list from the Betting Control and Licensing Board of ongoing and concluded disciplinary cases against errant betting and gaming firms and media stations in the country for the last 1 year. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mother Wangari. Chairman.